Hello dear student. Up to now we have discussed few topics related with the chapter electrostatic potential and capacitance. Now today we are going to discuss few more important details about the topic capacitance. So please watch the lectures till the end. Definitely you'll get clear idea about this topic. So my dear, here the most important thing in this topic is this is very important for the board point of view and a NEET point of view. Please focus carefully. So first one, capacitor symbol. What is the symbol of capacitor? How can we represent the capacitor? Generally, two different otherwise two different conductors or charged opposite side or separated by some distance. So generally how we represent in capacitor symbol? Capacitor symbol will be represented like this. Two conductors. This is one conductor, this is another conductor. Actually this is positively charged and this is negatively charged. Both are opposite charges. Two different conductors, both are different conductors, are charged opposite side. One is positive charge, another one is negative charge, separated by some distance. So like this is a symbol of capacitor. Generally we don't write these positive charges, negative charges. Generally we are representing this is a symbol of capacitor. This is a symbol of capacitor. Okay. Symbol of capacitor is this. Symbol of capacitor. Okay. So I hope all of you understood this symbol of capacitor. Okay. So this is a fixed capacitor. Fixed capacitance. Symbol of capacitance. So capacitance. Symbol of capacitor. Okay. So if it is variable capacitor, the value is variable. We are indicating it like this. This is a fixed capacitor. And this is a variable capacitor. Variable capacitor. This is a fixed capacitor and this is a variable capacitor. Now the concept is, please observe carefully, this is very important. If capacitors connected in series, means if capacitor connected in parallel, how to find C equivalent? How to find C equivalent in parallel case. This is very important. Numericals also asked based upon this. First, case 1. There are two cases are there. First case, capacitors connected in series. Capacitors connected in series. Capacitors connected in series. Two, three. I consider three capacitors. I consider here three capacitors. Okay. These are connected in series. And these are connected with one battery source. So this is some battery source. So positive, negative. So observe carefully. Some battery source it is connected. This is a positive charge, this is a negative charge. This is capacitance C1. This capacitor having capacitance property. You know already. Capacitance is the property of capacitor. Here three capacitors are there. Capacitor 1 having capacitance is C1, The two having capacitance is C2 and second one having capacitance is C3. They are connected in series. They are connected in series. If you draw equivalent diagram, if you draw equivalent diagram, if you draw the equivalent diagram, so then it will become equivalent diagram for this one becomes, so this is the equivalent diagram. So positive charge, negative charge. This is a C equivalent. So this is a C equivalent diagram. So how to find C equivalent? How to find C equivalent? Here the main important point is, first point in series. In series some node points are there. First node point is, in series connection, charge Q is same. Charge is same. Potential is different. Potential V is different. This is very, very important point. In series connection, charge is same, potential is different. That means across this capacitor, potential is I consider as some V1. Across this capacitor, potential is I consider as some V2. Across this capacitor, some potential is I consider as V3. But here charge is Q only, here charge Q only, here charge is Q only. So charge is same in series connection, but potential is different. So according to series, net potential is equal to sum of the potentials V1 plus V2 plus V3. V1 plus V2 plus V3. You know that capacitance formula is Q by V. Capacitance formula is Q by V. Then V formula is Q by C. V formula is Q by C. That means V1 is to V2 is to V3. The ratio of the potentials across capacitor 1, capacitor 2, capacitor 3 is V1, V2, V3. Then V1 is to V2 is to V3 is equal to, here charge is same, so Q by C1 is to Q by C2 is to Q by C3. That means here charge going to be cancelled. Finally we'll get 1 by C1 is to 1 by C2 is to 1 by C3. This is very, very important. So ratio of the potentials in series connection. If capacitors connected in series, then ratio of the potentials V1 is to V2 is to V3 is equal to 1 by C1 is to 1 by C2 is to 1 by C3. Okay. So this is next Vnet. You know that Vnet is equal to Q net by C. That means Q by C equivalent. Net is nothing but equivalent value. Q by C equivalent is equal to, this is Q by C1 plus Q by C2 plus Q by C3. Here Q, here Q going to be cancelled. Finally what we got? 1 by C equivalent is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. So this is a C equivalent. In the case of if 3 capacitors connected in series, then C equivalent formula 1 by C equivalent is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. If 4 capacitors connected in series means 1 by C equivalent is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 plus 1 by C4. If n capacitor connected in series means 1 by C equivalent is equal to, if n capacitors connected in series means 1 by C equivalent is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 and so on plus 1 by Cn. So this is if n number of capacitors connected in series. So this is the formula of C equivalent. So I hope all of you understood. Next Next important point here. This is also very important. V1 is to V2 is to V3 is equal to 1 by C1 is to 1 by C2 is to 1 by C3. So this is the case. Next. Right. Next, we are going to discuss so here, if two capacitors I consider, two capacitors connected in series, C1, C2, connected in series, then C equivalent formula, you know already, C equivalent, 1 by C equivalent is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. If LCM is C1 into C2, this is a C1 plus C2, 1 by C equivalent. So finally what we got, C equivalent formula, C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. This is very, very important. If two capacitors connected in series means C equivalent formula, C1 into C2 by C1 plus C2. So we'll solve one problem. Question number 1. If two capacitors like 3 microfarad, here capacitance is 2 microfarad, connected to some battery source, find C equivalent. C equivalent, if two capacitors connected in series means C equivalent, C1 into C2 by C1 plus C2. That means here 2 into 3 by 2 plus 3, 2 into 3, 6, 6 by 5 microfarad. It is nothing but 1.2 microfarad. So C equivalent is equal to 1.2 microfarad. 1.2 microfarad. Okay. So if you observe one thing here, what is the C equivalent value? 1.2 microfarad. What is C1 value? C1 value is what? 3 microfarad. What is C2 value? 2 microfarad. That means here observe carefully this. What is the main important point here? What is the main important point here? In series connection, C equivalent is always less than individual capacitors. Always less than individual capacitance. So what is the C equivalent value here? 1.2. That C equivalent value, if you find equivalent capacitance in series connection, that equivalent capacitance value is must less than individual capacitance value. Individual capacitance value in series connection. C equivalent is less than C1 and C equivalent is less than C2. So equivalent capacitance is always less than individual capacitors. So what is the node point here? What is the major node point here? In series connection, equivalent capacitance is always less than the value of individual capacitance. The value of capacitance of individual capacitors. Okay. So this is very, very important node point. In series connection, C equivalent capacitance is always less than value of individual capacitors. This is 3 microfarad, this is 2 microfarad. We got 1.2. 1.2 is less than 3. 1.2 is less than 2. Satisfied our note point or not? This is very, very important note point. The equivalent capacitance in series connection is must less than capacitance of individual capacitors. That is a very important point. Next we are going to discuss. So one more important point. One more important point. One more important point. One more important point in series connection. So that is the last one. Next we are going to be entered into parallel connection. Parallel connection. Next we are going to enter. So this is a C. We consider, so capacitance value is C, everywhere C. These are connected to some battery source. Connected to a battery source. So how many capacitances are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C equivalent is equal to, the formula of C equivalent. If equal number of capacitors, here capacitance is C. If equal number of capacitors is connected in series, then C equivalent formula is capacitance value by value of capacitance. Value of capacitance by number of similar capacitors. Number of similar capacitors. For example, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many number of similar capacitors are there? 6 similar capacitors are there. What is the value of capacitance C? So that means C by 6. So what is C equivalent here? C by 6. It's a simple shortcut trick. This is a shortcut trick. If equal number of capacitance values are connected in series, then C equivalent formula is value of capacitance by number of capacitors. We are solving one numerical. Next we are going to be discuss capacitor connected in parallel connection. So small numerical I discuss. Question number 2. Here connected to a battery source. This is a 1 microfarad. This is also 1 microfarad. This is also 1 microfarad. Okay. So find C equivalent. They are asking in the question. Find C equivalent. They are asking in the question. Apply shortcut trick here. If here capacitance, all capacitance values are equal or not? Check it. All capacitance values are equal. Those are connected in series. Then C equivalent formula. Capacitance value. What is the value of capacitance? 1 microfarad. Number of capacitors? 1, 2, 3. Total 3 capacitors are there. 1 by 3. So what is the C equivalent? 1 by 3 microfarad. 1 by 3 microfarad. So the value of C equivalent is 1 by 3 microfarad. So easy to calculate. Whenever equal capacitance values are connected in series, then C equivalent finding formula, value of capacitance by number of similar capacitors. Number of similar capacitors, how many similar capacitors are there? 3 capacitors are there. That's right. 1 microfarad by 3. That means 1 by 3 microfarad. So this is the solution of this question. I hope all of you understood this. So in further lecture, we are going to discuss few more details about this topic, capacitance. So please revise these concepts and solve the numericals. By using these concepts, solve the few more numericals. All the very best.